Hi guys, so I'm back with, I got a little package today and this is from JD. That's Uni Desiree on YouTube, and what it is her Beyond Blue fundraiser mystery pack. If you don't know what that's all about, I'll put all the details in the description box below. But anyway, I just did a little cut there because JD, you got a little bit sticky tape happy and staple happy like me. So I haven't opened it yet. And I'm really excited to get this. I know I've been checking your little Etsy store to see how many have sold, and I'm so excited every time another one gets sold. So yeah, everyone, I'll put the link as well to JD's Etsy shop down below, so you can go over and check them out. And the mystery packs are only $10, and all of the proceeds are going to Beyond Blue charity. Okay, oh wow. And look, you'll see what great value they are. Look at this, oh my goodness, that is awesome. I haven't even looked through it yet. I'm so excited. Oh JD, there's so much in here. Okay, let's see. So exciting. I don't know if anyone else has done an unboxing yet. I'll have to have a look around. I don't know where to start. There's so much here. Oh, I love getting other people's handmade tags and stuff like that. But look at this. I wonder who made this. If you made this and donated it to JD as part of the challenge, put the comments in the description box below, or anything else that you've seen here. I love to know where things come from. This one says, "The earth has music for those who listen." And that's a Shakespeare quote. Little owl. I love it. So cute. Okay, there's that. Oh, let me, so I've got a hammer on my desk. Someone actually commented the other day about me having pliers and tools or something on my desk, screwdrivers and stuff. Yeah, my craft room is a bit of a workshop, I think. And this one, so pretty. Oh, see, these are like little things that are, you can simply make these, but like I never think of making little banners and stuff like that. Really cute. That's why I love getting other people's handmade stuff as well. It then gives you lots of ideas as well. And this is an old magazine or book page. Look at that, isn't that cute? This is like, is it vellum? Little vellum tag. Sorry, I know I'm going to take way too long to get through this. Okay. I think I know who made this. Was Jenny Leslie? Is this yours? It looks like it because I know that she has little images like this. Maybe it isn't, but it looks like a Jenny Leslie from Hello Be Natural. Ooh, see, I don't have little pretties like this, so because I don't buy like proper real craft supplies. So when I do get little things like this, I'm way excited. This is a little collage. Oh, I'm so glad that there's so much handmade stuff in here, because this is what I really love. See, little things like this. This is what I love. Now, this definitely looks like a Jenny Leslie tag. But I don't know, because that's so pretty. Actually, oh no, maybe, is it? I don't know. Because it feels printed. It looks like scrapbook paper with paint on top. Ooh. This is so pretty. I love it. Oh, does that open? No, it's just really thick. Love the rooster. This is embossed. Look at that little birdie there. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Oh yeah. And this one. That's so pretty, that purple. Butterfly. Oh. Does that that looks like a little punch out as well. I don't have little sparkles. I do have a few, but they're in little jars like this. And you have to get them out with tweezers and glue them on. But they're so itty bitty that my big fat fingers can never pick them up and use them. Oh, that's pretty. Seahorses. I love seahorses. Actually, I'm a huge animal lover, so I love all little critters. That's really pretty. Actually, I've got some fabric that kind of matches that. Oh, not really, but it's floral, but it kind of reminds me of it. Little labels, or they're cute. Oh, I never have pretty papers. See, I didn't even know what to do with these. I'll be like, oh, they're double-sided. Oh no, some are. I'll be like, they're too cute to cut up. I don't want to waste them, and then you never use them. That's cute. I love the old ads. Oh, sorry, I'm sniffing. It's so cold here this morning in Sydney. That's pretty. Ooh, napkins. Flowers. Oops, there's some more. Oh, that's cute. Little birdies. I love the little postcard things. Actually, I've got a postcard stamp now. Not postcard, like a mail stamp. It was from Audi. That's cute. Oh, birdies. I love birdies. Oops. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. That's gorgeous. Fabric. More little pretty papers. Oh, these are cute. Ooh, cake. Paper doilies. Always use them. Oh, wow. Oh, there's so much in here. I don't even know where to pick up from. I need to speed up because I know this is going to be too long. I'll probably put you all to sleep by now. This is cute. Oh, that's cute. Actually, I was going to make a marine life or ocean sea life kind of journal. That'll go good in that. Oh, that's really pretty. Mermaid. It's like a steampunk mermaid, look. That's funny. Graphic 45. I always hear everyone talk about Graphic 45, but I don't know these brands because I never actually buy stuff. I only hear about it on other YouTube channels. It's another steampunk one. Some beautiful cards. Oh, look at this envelope. That's pretty cool. I like that. Actually, is this from you, Karen Munro? I don't know. I have watched all the donation videos, but one of JD's bookmarks, she sells these in her Etsy store. Oh, this is pretty. It's velvety though. I don't like the feel of velvet or cotton balls or anything like that, but I like the look of it. It's actually a dark green. You probably can't tell on camera. That's really pretty. Okay, what else? Let me dig under in the big stuff. Oh, look at this fabric. That's gorgeous. I was going to make a purple patchy fabric, you know, cover. That'll go nice on that. Some more pretty papers. Oh, and old book pages. Chinese. Oh, this is rules of stroke order of Chinese characters. At my my job before I retired, yeah, I had a lot of Chinese people in the office, and we'd all go to lunch, and they'd always be trying to teach me Chinese, and yeah, forget it. I think I learnt 2 words, and then a week later I'd forget it. This is interesting, look. Quarter horse reference. And it's got all these little names. I wonder what this is from. Dividends. Is that some sort of racing thing? I don't know. Children's book pages. I love when you get foreign language books. Oh, they're cute. Ooh, look at this. I really love old reference books like this. This is gorgeous. Like old dictionaries, old encyclopedias, old textbooks. Actually, these are my like favorite. But if I find old books like this, I love old books. I collect them, and I can't cut them up. Yeah, I have an old book collection that I just can't cut them up. Unless they're absolutely falling apart. Oh, this is really pretty. Look how old this is. Oh, it's 1971. Whenever I say look how old this is, I was born in 72. Even though I'm 35. Yeah, you can work that out, but your math is probably wrong. I was born in 72 and I'm 35. But I always say, look how old this is, and then I see the year and I'm like, oh, yeah, that means I'm old. Old calendars. Ooh! Look at this. It's like, I don't know, I don't know what it feels like, but it's really smooth but rough, if that makes sense. It doesn't make sense, but it's like, you know, smooth handmade paper. But that's so pretty. It's really gorgeous. Cuddly Craft. That looks like from a doll's book. Bunnies. Beatrix Potter or something. Old cookbooks. Oh, these are pretty. With these sort of things, I like making a pocket for the center of the journal. So it's pretty on both sides. Ooh, I know who made this. Krista, was this one of yours? Krista Neal from Second Chance Creations. She made 2 kind of things like this and sent to me in a happy mail. And I love them. I'm going to make journals out of them. Look at that. I do make, you know, things like this, but they never turn out as pretty. I don't know if this is Krista's though, but it does kind of look like it. But there's glitter in this one. Look how pretty that journal cover would be. That's so cute. I love that. And some borders. What is this out of? Oh, sticker sheets. They're cute. Okay. Oh my goodness, there's so many goodies in here. I won't open those and go through everything, otherwise you'll be here forever. But they're little die cuts and stuff. Little Chinese or Japanese or something. I don't know. I can't tell. Japanese. But they're cute. And a little packet of goodies. So there's some buttons. Little chipboard piece. little cameo sparklies, little what are they called? Can't think of what they're called. They're like little flat back pearls or something. Oh, this must be JD's little thank you part of it. Oh, there's her card. She drew this herself. Thank you so much for purchasing a Beyond Blue mystery pack. Hope you love using these items in your creative projects. Much love, JD. Willow Bound Journals. And that's one of her art journal cards. That's so pretty. Oh, just put some... These must be extra little goodies. Oh, look at that. It's a label off a drink. I also like soaking labels off. Because, you know, you think the labels of stuff or food packaging in your own country is so boring. But when you get one, like, from another country, they're so awesome. You know, that's what real ephemera is. These are, I think they call them Project Life cards. I don't know. I may be just making that up, but I think so. I don't know the name of proper craft supplies. These are cute. It's like little travel items. Aw, tickets. I love tickets. Like a little check. They're cute. You cut them out. Oh, that's pretty. Sparkly. And a whole little pack of goodies. Oh, I kind of want to open it. Okay, let's tip it out and see. Ah! Shouldn't have done that. That's okay. I'll scoop them up. Oop. I'm unraveling that. So some eyelash trims, buttons, little washi tape. That's cute. Little chipboard pieces. Oh, this is so cute. I love how little packs of stuff like this. Oh, that's cool. Put a little something in there, glaze it over. I think I know what I'm going to do with that already. Little feather. Oh, there's like a little queen sort of thing. It's got a drilled hole, so I can put that on a boho journal or something. Little buttons and bits and bobs and all sorts of cuties. Now they're rolling around my desk. Look at this paper clip. Isn't that cool? Little flamingo, is it? Yeah, that's so cute. Anyway, that's my little mystery pack. There's another paper clip. So head over to JD's channel and have a look what it's all about if you don't already know. And if you can, I think you've got until the end of the month to donate stuff. That's so gorgeous. I love that. And she'll be trying to make up 100 mystery packs with all the stuff that's donated and trying to sell 100 mystery packs. But I'll put all the details in the description box below. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you support JD's challenge in some way. Even if you can't afford to donate a pack or to donate money or purchase a pack, you can still support her by sharing details about the challenge on social media, or if you've got a YouTube channel or anything like that. So any way you can support the challenge, it will help. But thank you so much for watching, and that's it. Bye bye.